Hey guys, how are you all? Welcome to my channel XXZT. Welcome all IELTS seekers to our new video, and it's the most requested video again. It's regarding the 31st October 2020 real IELTS exam prediction. Okay, so up to this time, our predictions gone true, and it's by the grace of God. Anyway, hope it will also be like that. So, as per your request, I'm here with the prediction video, and I included academic and general module prediction together. So, before starting our video, if you are interested to get IELTS lessons, practice test, if you want free materials, prediction videos, review sections, breaking news, all real exam answers and everything means, please do subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon. And if you are interested to join for our online sections, you can write me in my WhatsApp number or else you can contact me via email. So please try to like, comment and share if you like this video means. So stay tuned for more updates. Now we can start our video. We'll start out with the listening section first for both academic and general module. So in part 1, you will hear a telephonic conversation and you will get the questions in the form of fill-ups. That may be one word only fill-ups or up to 2 words. Most probably, this part will be an easy one. And in part 2, you will hear a talk from a guide or the discussion between two people. So this time there is a chance to get short MCQs and 45% chance to get map completion. And this part also will be an easy one. Moving on to your part 3. In this part, you will hear a discussion between 3 to 4 speakers and you want to answer the questions in the form of MCQs, that means large MCQs along with selection of letters. Or sometimes they will be asking MCQs only in this section. So you will get 10 MCQs. So you want to concentrate more in this part because this part will be somewhat tricky. And in part 4, you will hear a lecture section. It's an academic lecture class, and you want to answer the questions in the form of fill-ups. That also in a not completion form. One word only, not completion. So that's all. So you can practice using your Cambridge textbooks, and it's better to do the textbooks from 11 to 15. And also we already updated some recent listening test. So I will provide the link in the description so you can check out that too. Okay, so first complete the Cambridge textbook, then you can move on with the other modes. So now we'll start out with the reading module for academics. So in passage 1, you know that you will get a long passage and you want to answer the questions in the form of true, false, not given type question along with fill-ups and MCQs. And in passage 2, you can expect a list of heading, yes, no, not given type question or true, false again and selection of letters. And in passage 3, again you will get a fill-up type question along with match the information and selection of letters. So most probably the reading section will be easy to moderate, that based on your capability only. So try to practice more, try to do at least 2 set of reading a day. So most of the students asked for the preparation materials and all. So you can use Cambridge textbooks 10 to 15. And also after that you can use Makar reading materials, the official Cambridge guide for IELTS and Collins reading for IELTS. There are lots of books are available. So first complete your Cambridge textbook, then you can move on to other materials too. Now we'll start out with the reading module of general. So in section 1, you will get 2 small passages and you want to answer the questions in the form of true, false, not given, match the information and also fill-ups. So there is more chance to get these type of questions. And in section 2, again short passages and you want to answer the questions in the form of selection of letters, yes, no, not given, and also short answer questions. Short answer question in the sense you want to answer within 3 words. And in section 3, you will get a long passage and you want to answer the questions like list of heading, fill-ups and also multiple choice question. So overall, your reading passage will be easy to moderate. So it's there is lot 100 percentage. If you are practicing well means you can make it as a easy one only. So as I told you before, you can use Cambridge textbook, official Cambridge guide, Macard textbooks and all to practice. Okay, so now we'll see regarding the writing module of academic first. So in task 1, you know that you will get an infographic structure. You want to answer that in 20 minutes with minimum 150 words. So it's a report writing. So we have lots of type. Mainly the 6 categories are there under task 1, and you want to follow the proper structure. That means you want to write introduction. In introduction, you want to paraphrase your question. Then in overview, you want to write about the general trends in 1 to 2 sentences. And in body paragraph, you can write about all the relevant data. That means you want to report all the specific details. So you can divide your body paragraph into 2 to 3 according to your data. Okay, so you want to follow proper structure. So this time there is a chance to get bar chart, line chart, pie chart, or a process diagram. Along with that, you can expect the combination of graph too. Then moving on to your essay writing, that means task 2, we have 5 types of essays. So this time there is a chance to get opinion type essay. That means they will be asking in the form of do you agree or disagree, or to what extent do you agree or disagree, or is it a positive or negative development. And along with that, you want to check out with your discussion type essay too. You should be thorough with that. So they will be asking like discuss both views, advantage, disadvantage, or in outweigh format. And along with the opinion and discussion type essay, this time you want to prepare for problem solution essay too. Okay, so you should be familiar with the structure. So what's the structure of your essay? First, you want to start out with the introduction. In introduction, you want to write a general statement. That means hook, a catchy sentence. So that may be a definition, but it should not be a proverb. So try to give one general statement always. Then you can paraphrase your question using synonyms. Then you want to write the thesis statement. That means you want to state your opinion if they asked for the opinion means. That means in the opinion type essay and also opinion with the discussion type essay means you want to write the thesis statement. Or else you can write the outline sentence. That means you want to state your plan, what you are going to discuss in the coming body paragraph. Then in the body paragraph, you can split your body paragraph into 2 to 3 according to the points you have. You want to write the topic sentence, that means the main idea, with the supporting sentence, that means explanation and examples. Then in conclusion, you want to restate your opinion. If they asked for your opinion means you want to restate that, or else you want to restate the main points. Okay, now we'll see regarding the writing of general module. So in task 1, you want to write a letter. So in our IELTS, we have 3 types of letters: formal, semi-formal, and also informal letter. I think you know the difference between formal, semi-formal, and informal. So this time you should prepare with formal and also semi-formal letter. So you can expect any one. Okay. So you should remember some points in your mind. First of all, you should understand the type of letter. Okay. Second one, understand the purpose. Whether it is Thanksgiving letter or request letter, or if it is an inquiry letter, or you want to apologize. So you should understand the purpose and open according to the letter type. Dear sir or madam for the formal letter means, or else if it is a semi-formal means you want to start out with the surname, or if it is a informal letter means you can directly start with the name of the person, first name of the person. So divide the body paragraph based on the bulletin. If you have 3 bulletin points means you want to divide your letter into 3 body paragraph. Use proper language, use punctuations as needed, sign off properly using standard phrases, and end up properly. That means yours faithfully or yours sincerely. Or it is an informal letter means you can just give best regards. Okay, no need to write any address. So you already know that you don't want to write any address. Okay, so that's all in task 2. So this time you can expect opinion type essay or discussion type essay. So you should be familiar with both the type of essays. So we already mentioned how they will be asking each type of essays and all. So now we'll check out what all are the topics you want to be prepared for your essay. So media and TV, health, advertising, business, environment, economy and money, education, food, animals, government, technology, transportation, world issues, culture and tradition, and society. So give more importance to technology, transportation, world issues, health, and government. So stay tuned. That's all about your prediction video. So try to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon nearby to get notification, and try to select the all option too. Then only you will be notified about all the videos. So there is no any particular charge for the subscription and all. So you can do it for free. And along with that, we already mentioned regarding the online classes. So we have two different batches. We have crash courses for 15 days. If you already booked your test date, means you can join for crash courses. If you already have a base, you don't want the grammar section and all, means you can join for crash courses for 15 days. And in that also we will cover all the syllabus, and we are giving more importance to writing and also speaking sections. Okay, or else you can join for the regular batches, that is level based training from grammar sections. We will go through complete syllabus in this section too. It should not be limited to any particular hours. After assessing your level only, we will plan for the hours, but we have fixed fee structure. Okay, so our new batch admission already started. So if you are interested, means you can join for that too. So try to contact via WhatsApp. You can send us message according to our convenience. We will contact you back. So thank you so much and stay tuned.